Hello, my wonderful people. Hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this mouth-watering, delicious yam called Yamarita. Don't go away. Start with cutting and peeling the yam. After peeling the yam, cut into smaller sizes and wash. The next thing is to put the yam in the pot, pour in water to the level of the yam, and add salt and sugar. Yes, we'll add sugar to it because we want the yam to be sweet. But it's optional. If you don't want, you can leave it off. I added some dry pepper in case I'm not using sauce to eat the yam, so that the yam can be pepperish a bit. It is also optional. Stir and then cover and cook the yam. Allow it to cook till it is almost done. The yam is about 80% cooked. Remove from fire and spread it out in a tray or bowl so that it will cool down for the next step. In a plate, pour in about half cup of flour, add salt and sugar. The flour depends on the quantity of the yam you are frying. You can do less. Mix everything, mix the salt and the sugar together and set aside. In another plate, crack in some eggs. Here I cracked 3 eggs because the yam I'm frying is large. Add salt, pepper, curry. You can add any other spices of your choice, but these 3 are just what I'm using here. Mix everything together also. Now it's time to coat the yam with the flour mixture. Take the yam and coat it with the flour mixture this way. By now, the oil should be heating on the fire, the oil for the frying. Coat the whole yam with the flour mixture. After coating the yam with the flour mixture, dip it in the egg mixture. Dip it thoroughly and then slowly and carefully put it in the hot oil and fry. Fry until it is a golden color. When you are okay with the color and the crunchiness, then remove from the oil. Our Yamarita is done, ready. So simple to make, but so delicious. Yeah, it's so delicious. I love eating it. Repeat the same process. Coat the flour and dip in the egg mixture and fry. Keep doing this until you have fried all the yam you have. Here is our Yamarita, looking so delicious. You can eat it with any sauce of your choice, and you can equally eat it like that. It can serve as breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Any way you can enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you all for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. And also click on the like button. Thank you. May God bless you all. Stay safe, please. And I love you all. Bye.